All right, we are looking at an active setup starting to actually approach New Mexico by the end of the week and toward the weekend. It's been quite a while since we've talked about an active setup here in New Mexico, but it may actually happen this time around. Meanwhile, right now in Cloudcroft, just a few high clouds streaming through the sky, but all in all, a very nice afternoon shaping up for the Sacramento Mountains, and that's really the case across much of the state as things are still relatively quiet across much of New Mexico. 58 degrees the current temperature, a variable wind at 6 miles per hour. Temperatures across the north into the 50s, but we're already dropping off into the 40s in Clayton and into the 30s for Tucumcari and Clovis right now. You can definitely see a cold front has really edged its way up against the central mountain chain, and we have much cooler air in place across eastern New Mexico, and some of that cooler air will eventually seep its way into central and western sections. Right now we're looking at a 25 to 30 degree drop from this time yesterday across east central and northeastern New Mexico down to the southeast, also looking at a 15 to 20 degree drop here as well. In central and western New Mexico, temperatures holding pretty steady for what we saw yesterday, but we will start to see these temperatures come down a little bit over the next 24 hours or so, but we will not see as much of a cool down across central and western portions of the state, only by about 5 degrees or so for tomorrow. Now, you can also see that the humidity has really ramped up across the eastern portion of the state along with that cold front, so that is also something that's very beneficial with that cold front moving in. Although we're not getting much in the way of shower activity going, we've at least raised the relative humidities, which helps decrease the fire danger, at least across the east, but we're still holding relative humidities in the teens for the most part across central and western portions of the state. We are dealing with quite a bit of cloud cover now streaming in from the south as we start to get into a little bit of a moisture tap. It's not quite enough to get showers going yet, but as we get a storm system to move into our direction for Thursday, well, we could get some of that shower activity to finally return to New Mexico, but in the meantime we are dealing with some cooler air moving into the state, eventually into central and western sections by the time we reach tomorrow. And then beyond that, we are looking for perhaps the return of winter across New Mexico as our first storm system moves in, but it's going to move a little too far to the north, so most of the shower activity will be confined to the northern mountains in southern Colorado. Most of the state seeing a windy setup for Thursday. It's the storm behind this one that we're really watching to change our fortunes, and this is for the weekend, Saturday into Sunday. It will approach the state, we'll get into a moisture tap, and that storm combined with the moisture tap is going to lead to a lot better chance of getting some showers going across the state. We're looking at some heavier snow possibly over the northern mountains and some even valley rain showers, so it looks like things may eventually improve here across New Mexico after seeing a very dry February. Southern Colorado, temperatures into the 50s for this afternoon, mostly sunny skies. And there go those chances of trying to get some showers going Thursday and Friday with that first storm system, and then eventually over the weekend with the second storm system. Over the northwest, lots of sunshine for today, but we'll have a chance of getting a couple of showers on Thursday with that first storm, but better chances over the weekend and cooler temperatures for early next week. Over the southwest, partly sunny skies, highs in the 60s and 70s. We stay dry throughout much of the week, but as that second storm system drops in, we'll have a chance at showers with cooler temperatures for Saturday and Sunday. Over the southeast, partly sunny skies, highs into the 50s and 60s. A shot at showers for tomorrow, but better chances over the weekend as temperatures do eventually drop back to the 60s. Over the northeast, lots of sunshine, quiet weather throughout much of the week, but then chances of showers developing Sunday into Monday. Over the northern mountains, mix of sun and clouds. We'll see more cloud cover through the rest of the week and a chance at getting a few showers over the weekend. Over the east mountains, mostly sunny, highs into the 60s for this afternoon. In the metro, we'll top out in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. And we'll be dealing with a little bit of wind with that first storm system on Thursday, but better chances of maybe picking up a couple of showers toward the weekend with that second one.
Okay, thanks, John.